because what's going to end up happening is that this is just going to fall down. Are you always a little? There you go. Okay. Knock, knock. Hi, guys. So we had some tight stitches in here. I'm going to get those out. Okay.
Your hands feel good.
I know, they're freezing. I don't know. I've got something wrong with them, I think. Looks good, though. Let me get some gloves on, and I'll get that guy out for you. How was day of surgery at the surgery center?
I couldn't tell you. I haven't laid down yet without pillows under my leg.
Look, she already had it. I just had to get pulled a little. Look at that. These little stickers here, these incisions are sutured so tightly that they'll heal quite quickly. But now that the sutures are out, you can put anywhere you have an incision is where you want to put those dressing kits. The reason those work so well is because it's actually collagen impregnated dressing that when you put it directly on the skin, increases wound healing really nicely, decreases the scarring, and also helps with some of that inflammation. So you want to put it on this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. You know, you have a hot tub and I don't want you in it yet. Oh, you don't? Oh, bummer. Well.
But I'm on my way to get another one.
We hate hot tubs around here, so that's okay.
I know.
Stay out of the hot tub. So the meniscus was not necessarily repaired, but cleaned up, okay? Along with the ACL tendon being rebuilt from your quadricep tendon, okay? So he took a piece of the quadricep tendon here and basically created a new ACL out of that. And the reason he had to do that is because the ACL that you had was obviously torn, but it couldn't be rebuilt because the stumps of the two ends weren't viable anymore. And that's kind of what we anticipated because of age and how long you had been suffering from this injury. So that's why he had to basically build you a new one. Are you wearing your brace?
Yep.
Okay, and you have it fully in extension right now, and you're not bending it, correct?
Nope. Whatever you see my knee at is what my brace is at.
The biggest thing that we want with ACL reconstruction and repairs is that we have to work on range of motion because we don't want the knee to get stiff or locked, okay?
Right.
What can tend to happen, you will be not able to fully extend the knee, and it'll kind of perpetually stay like this. That's what we want to avoid. And that's why we kind of push physical therapy. So what I'm going to give you is the protocol that we want you to follow. It's a delayed protocol, basically just a little bit of a more gentle rehab because that meniscus was also affected. In the ankle, does that hurt?
No, it was just lifting my foot up. I'm a sissy. I know.
We're going to give you more instructions than you probably want. Once we have adequate quad control, that's when we bring you out of the brace. You're actually going to be wearing this brace until your quad supports the knee so that the knee doesn't buckle. As that quad starts to fire and starts to wake up, we'll unlock it and it won't be as clunky and awkward to walk in. But for now, we're going to leave it locked, okay? Until you start PT. This can all be adjusted. He's going to edit that out. We don't like that.
It's okay. I don't care. Get in there.
Because what's going to end up happening is that this is just going to fall down. Are you always a little? There you go. Okay. This is a terrible shoe to wear with this brace because you have a lot of stress to put on your foot. Closed-toed shoes just going to give you a little bit extra support and you won't fall out of it. I know it's basically summer outside. I want to see you back in 6 weeks. At that point, we'll check range of motion, we'll check strength, and if everything is heading in the right direction, maybe we can liberate you from the brace. It just kind of depends on how the quad's doing. Okay?
Yep.
All right, good
Thank
to see
you
guys.
Good to see you.